Hi everyone, these are the ingredients we're going to be using for the meatballs today. Half a pound of ground beef, a third of a pound of ground pork, a teaspoon of Italian seasonings, an eighth of a cup of breadcrumbs, some garlic salt, and this, it's to taste, but what I'm going to be using is a little bit less than a teaspoon. And then here I have an eighth of a cup of Parmesan cheese, one egg, some parsley, Italian parsley, and some cumin. Just like I'm going to use half a teaspoon of cumin, and an eighth of a cup of chopped garlic and chopped onion. Okay, so let's get started. Alright guys, so now we have all our ingredients here all together mixed in, and now we're going to make the meatballs. So let's see how many we can get from this. Okay, so all our meatballs are done, and now they're ready for the oven at 350 for 20 minutes, and then we'll check and see how they look. Look at this, guys. These meatballs are done. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to serve these with some marinara sauce and some pasta, and they're done. Thank you for watching. And like always, I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, we'll see you. Bye-bye.